Wow. Hello. Hello you guys. Today is a beautiful Sunday here in the city of Shenzhen. And I feel good. So good. So good. I'm gonna go meet a Mexican guy that also does some videos, and it's gonna be our first meeting, so let's see how it goes. Which is better, my happy face or this happy face? There's some foreigners there looking strange at me. Because I'm recording, I guess. Thanks a lot for waiting all this time, because I know that I've left you, just abandoned the channel for like a month. I have to tell you what I was doing. So basically, I was traveling. First, I went to Bali to spend Chinese New Year, and after I went to Japan because to spend my birthday and to see the cherry blossoms, which were so beautiful. Oh yeah, it was a very nice experience, especially because my birthday was April 6th, and that was around cherry blossom season. So it was a 2-for-1 event. And you know, some highlights, I mean, some issues, better said, are that I couldn't find very easily the kind of food that I eat, you know, salads and that kind of raw vegan healthy stuff. Although there was a raw vegan cafe and it was very nice. I've been there before in Tokyo. I went to Kyoto, Tokyo, and the fruit is more expensive than China, so it's not even funny. But in general, it was a very nice trip, and I stayed there for like 10 days. And after I came back here, I was super busy with all my clients waiting for me, and so I was not doing much in this channel, but that story, it's very much over. And here I am again, and you know, the season of heat is just coming. It's just here, and noise everywhere, you know that. And where am I going? Oh yeah. So basically, I'm very happy to be once again here, having a face for the channel, and I'll be showing you more stuff about what I've been doing, as well as some news, some products, some stuff which are hot selling as well in my website. If you haven't registered, you're welcome to check out my business website, which is wholesale kind of business, and it's www.fromchinawelove.market. Yeah. So I'm getting tired of holding the cell phone. I think I need a selfie stick. Whenever some foreign watch me, I believe they are thinking, oh, maybe she's a girl in YouTube. Some people know, some people don't. So let me know, how are you? And I think you must be happy to see me back. Are you? Yeah, you will like you or and yeah, whatever. Hello you guys. So I don't know if you know, but here in China we can have this white core. It's super white, and they sell it on the fruit shop, which might seem for you a little bit weird, but they sell it here, as well as my avocado from Mexico. This is very sweet. So today it's a beautiful, beautiful day here in the city of Shenzhen. It's warm and sunny, and I have a green juice with me. Yeah. So I'm going to do checking some merchandise today to put in this trip. I let you know this is is around the area where I live at this moment. Some of you commented that you were living here before as well, and you kind of feel some nostalgia after watching my previous videos. Pharmacy, Chinese pharmacy, and what is this? Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, smokers everywhere. And saloon. This is how the streets of Shenzhen look like. Vegetables. So guys, you have to look at this Bluetooth speaker, which is an ovni, flying ovni.
总在非常脆弱的时候，怀念你分不开，我们也许放得近。
Okay, so right now I'm just showing you around some interesting products which I found during my trip to some electronic areas. So basically these are some power banks which are kind of fashionable design with marble. Basically you can see that there are so many different colors and it gives kind of the look like it's a stone in there. And I love this one, which is a humidifier for the skin, moisturizer better say. Although Shenzhen is super moisturized already with this humidity. Like seriously, it's so cute. The Mother's Day and she's taking them to classes, all these little girls. Oh, I'm so happy. So here we have some very cool kind of iPads. It's erase as many times as you want whatever it is that you write. And these old school kind of speakers, which I found very interesting designed. You know, like the old times. Here is the mini projector. There are so many different kinds nowadays in the market, and as you can see, this one is super good quality. The image was very crystal clear. Look at this. I also found this small camera for kids, which I found also super interesting, and this packaging for cables, which is a bar of chocolate, and I found it very unique. And of course we couldn't miss the nowadays popular wireless chargers stand holding those ones over there that I'm trying. So this is where I buy my smoothie almost every day. Bread, smoothie, salad. This it's called PS panini, and outside it's roasting hot. Seriously. Oh. So cheers to the good life. And I have ordered as well one green juice. Cold press. They have them here. So you have to choose where are they. There is a whole selection of them. Cold press juices for 28, but you can buy packages and it'll be cheaper. And these are detox packages, as you see. Like there are so many different colors. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, I guess. So this is how it goes. And again, this is for PS Panini. It's here in Sheffield. And it's so nice. This smoothie is, I've ordered this one. They have an English menu as well. Very party, which is blueberry, veggie berry, mulberry, and almonds. All very sunny breads. So another afternoon spent in China. And right now I want to go and buy some tea. I found a place over here, Chai Bien. Let's go and check it out. Also let me know in the comment section whether you buy tea or you don't. Actually I didn't, but I want to. Because it's summer and I feel more thirsty, and of course you will say like, but it's hot. But if you drink supposedly green tea, it's refreshing. and I will make it after school. I will drink it. What do you think about that? So this is the tea shop, which seems very awkward. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the vlog. If you did so, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can stay tuned up for future vlogs, as well as to give me your thumbs up for this video and let me know your comments in the comment section. Until the next time,